Hey adventure enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best action camera to capture your epic adventures? Whether you're into extreme sports, vlogging, or love recording life in stunning detail. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best action cameras of 2025 based on performance, features, and value. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the Icefox Action Camera 4K 60 FPS. The Icefox Action Camera 4K 60 FPS is a compact yet powerful option for adventure enthusiasts and content creators. It records in professional-grade 4K at 60 FPS and captures 20 P photos, offering exceptional clarity, ideal for vlogging or high-speed activities like biking. However, it's important to note that 60 FPS is only available when electronic image stabilization, EIS, is turned off, which could affect smoothness during action shots. Built with an IP68 rated enclosure, it's waterproof up to 98 degrees, making it a solid choice for underwater sports, though the remote must be waterproofed separately. Two 1350 mAh batteries offer up to 4 hours of shooting, minimizing downtime. The Snap Pro app enables easy media transfers and creative editing with filters, subtitles, and music. Rich with accessories and flexible mounts, it's a great all-in-one package. The best choice for budget-friendly, versatile adventure recording. Coming in at number 4 is the AKASO Brave 4 4K 30 FPS action camera. The AKASO Brave 4 4K 30 FPS action camera is a reliable and affordable option for capturing adventures in vivid detail. It records in 4K at 30 FPS and snaps 20 MP photos, offering great quality for everyday use. The adjustable 170-degree wide-angle lens and built-in gyroscope stabilization ensure smooth, customizable shots, ideal for sports and outdoor activities. Though it doesn't support 60 FPS at 4K, it offers solid performance with 1080p at 60 FPS. Dual screens, 2 and rear and 0.96 front, enhance usability for framing and selfies. With Wi-Fi and HDMI, sharing content is quick and easy, and the 130 FT waterproof case makes it suitable for underwater use. Two 1050 mAh batteries and optimized accessories extend usability, though the remote is not waterproof. Overall, the Brave 4 is a great entry-level choice for those wanting dependable quality and features at a budget-friendly price. At number 3, we have the ODDV 4K 60 FPS 30 mAh action camera. The ODDV 4K 60 FPS 30 mAh action camera delivers impressive performance with ultra-clear 4K video at 60 FPS and high-resolution 30 mAh photos, perfect for capturing fast-paced adventures. It includes a 64GB memory card, so storage is ready right out of the box. The dual-screen design, with a 2.0-inch rear touchscreen and 1.4-inch front screen, makes mode switching, framing, and playback effortless, especially for selfies. A standout feature is its 6-axis EIS, providing smooth, stable footage even in intense motion. With a waterproof case rated to 132 feet, it's built for serious underwater action. The included remote control adds convenience but isn't waterproof. Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy sharing through the SupCam Pro app within a 10-meter range. Overall, the ODDV excels in video clarity, stabilization, and user-friendly design, making it a top choice for thrill seekers who want professional-grade footage with convenience. Taking the number 2 spot is the GoPro HERO13. The GoPro HERO13 Black sets a new standard with stunning 5.3K 60 video, delivering ultra-crisp detail and cinematic smoothness for creators who demand top-tier performance. Its new HB series lenses enhance clarity and sharpness, while the rugged, waterproof design maintains GoPro's reputation for legendary durability, perfect for intense environments. A more powerful battery extends shooting time, making it ideal for long sessions without frequent recharges. Though premium priced, its advanced stabilization, high frame rates, and dynamic range justify the investment for serious adventurers and content creators. The camera excels in action-packed settings, offering unmatched video quality and resilience. While it lacks some bundled accessories found in budget models, its overall performance and build quality easily make it the best choice for professionals and enthusiasts looking for the ultimate in action camera technology. And finally, our number one pick is the AKASO EK7000 Color. The AKASO EK7000 is a solid entry-level 4K action camera that delivers impressive value with 4K 30 FPS and 2.7K 30 FPS video recording, along with 20 MP photo capture for sharp, vibrant images. It features built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, which helps provide smooth and steady footage during movement. The 180 waterproof case makes it ideal for water sports, while its rugged design suits both indoor and outdoor adventures. The included 2.4G wrist remote offers convenient control, though it isn't waterproof. With built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI, sharing and editing footage through the AKASO Go app is easy and fast, perfect for on-the-go creators. A key limitation is the lack of a microSD card and lower frame rate compared to high-end models. However, for budget-conscious users or beginners, the EK7000 offers reliable performance and features at an affordable price. And there you have it, the best action cameras. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.